In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable download option in your YouTube video. So basically, the first thing you want to do is go to your YouTube studio. So you just simply need to open your content page. Just click on content. So let's say we want to disable download option for this first video right here. And you click on it, okay? All right, so at the top right here you can see a pencil and share and YouTube button. So you want to click on this pencil, okay? All right, so right here what you want to do is you want to click on more options right below that says tag shorts remix all, okay? All right, so what we need to do to disable download option is you want to unclick allow embedding right here, okay? So once you click it, then you go back and then you click on save. All right, so edit saved. So once you're done with that, disable or download will be turned on, okay?